Hello guys, we're gonna show you my very small Rubik's Cube. It can actually turn. Like it's very small. It's very extremely small. Rubik's Cube, but smallest Rubik's Cube, I guess. Yes, it's just a small Rubik's Cube. Cube 3x3, I guess. It's really hard to turn because they're not aligned. Aligned.
18, 19.
Yeah, it's very hard to turn. Oh my god.
20. 21.
22.
23.
And nice for sharing it. Hey, joke's on you for people who actually believe that I was solving it. So, this is just my small Rubik's Cube. That's it. I'm gonna just try to do this. I'm just gonna try to, do this. Gonna try to solve one side of the Rubik's Cube, which is the blue one. Okay, two more blue things. Dude, it's so hard to turn this thing. Like it's so, like, the turning is so good. Like it's so perfectly aligned. Like wow. It's so easy to turn, you know. All those things that I said back about it being so hard to turn was all just a big lie.
24. 25. 26. 27. 29.
Ooh. Oh my god. So hard to turn. I mean, it's so good to turn. I mean, the turning is so good, you know. And I just watched 2 minutes of me literally trying to solve this smallest Rubik's Cube, but only getting to solve one part. So yeah.